guys, with my XX19 here, and I'm here playing with some friends, of course, my brother, ric7, Sailing 96, aka Hellsound, Sasuke, Slusky12, aka Sasuke, put you that name, and that site, despite the light, I don't know how to say it, I'm so embarrassed.
But there's not enough. Should we play Super Smash Mobs teams so one person can be lonely?
Yeah, I'll go by myself.
Okay, everybody, we're gonna play Super Smash Mobs teams.
Come on. Okay. Wow, that girl just said, what are those? Wow.
I'm Squiddy!
I'm Squiddy the Squid.
Should we be the team of squids?
Okay. Despite the light, we'll be right back.
The Squid Squad?
Oh no, now there's even with
Oh, despite the light, accept!
Sailing team.
Slusky team. Right click me.
Right click me. Right click me.
Oh,
Okay, now I'm team with another
I live
person.
despite the light.
I'm with Sasuke.
Everybody go after my teammate. Everybody
Oh, God.
go after my teammate.
Carl, they're messaging me. I can't answer. This is what happens
Kill
when
my
they.
teammate.
I died.
Hurry up
Me
and kill my
too.
teammate.
They keep messaging me. Ah,
Yeah, someone kept messaging me, but oh well.
I can't
We're not gonna
answer.
kill each other. We're in truce mode. No killing each other, Slusky.
Quickly, kill the
Stop
light.
it sailing.
Kill
Stop it,
Naruto.
Helltown.
Ah!
Kill my teammate.
Wait, don't battle. Wait. Nobody attack.
No.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
I'm a squid, I can fly. No.
Everybody, kill my teammate.
Who's your teammate?
Splash the chicken.
Splash, aka the Uchiha. Okay, are you winning, Hellsound?
Despite the light, I don't know.
Where's that little chicken? I like how we're over. It's
No,
just
despite the light. You have to go.
wow.
Lag? Oh, bye.
Okay, well he needs to
Chicken. The chicken.
quickly kill the chicken.
I can't kill my teammate. Oh god.
The chicken. Boom.
Probably he's gonna report us, but this is called
I
teaming.
I have 1 life left.
If I get banned,
Look at this.
if I get banned from the
I
server,
have 4 lives left.
my server didn't.
Yeah, but I'm a noob. So.
Yo, what's up, noob? Yo, what's up, noob? Oh my God, that chicken is so pro.
David, your team was
The chicken.
Slusky.
It's
Oh, it's Sasuke
Okay.
Uchiha.
I won't wanna be ya.
Wow. Well, yeah, guys, I'm sorry for the lag. It's cause I'm really laggy. And
that were all very awesome.
tomorrow,
You can't
tomorrow's
your honor.
Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas.
I died.
Wait, should we sing a Christmas song tomorrow? Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad de los
De los y felicidad.
Yo quiero darte un nuevo Christmas. Yo quiero darte un nuevo Christmas. Ah!
Gordon, can I team with you next?
Me?
That chicken is so pro.
Sure, you can team with me.
It's fun to have distance.
Gordon, can I team with you next?
Yes.
Oh my God, my brother has the ice shotgun gun.
So can I team up with you next?
By the way, guys, I do
Not
have.
really.
Don't let them see, don't let them go. Be the good girl you always have to be.
Feel, don't feel.
Don't let them know what they knew. Let it go, can't hold it back
God.
anymore. Here I stand, and what they're going to say. Let the snow
Wait, don't hurt me.
rage
Somebody's calling me.
on.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, let's sing the It's a Season to Be Trolly.
Tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Burn Simon in the lava.
Deck the
Oh,
horse in
let's
front
rock
of
the
Lego
Lego Trolla. La 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 la.
We'll just sing a lol lol.
It's a
Sent
season
to be Trolly Trolla. La 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 la. Burn
Simon in the lava.
Burn Simon to explode the tree and explode the tree. A Christmas tree with TNT. Trolla la 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 la. Burn Simon
Oh, the
in.
Christmas tree with TNT.
La 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 la. Burn Simon in.
Guys, are you guys ready yet?
I'm
What?
trying to kill Sluske.
Don't play the music because that's copyright. So lower down the music
Yes.
and let's try to sing it.
One more kill and I can get. I never lost a life.
You don't need to tell us. Oh God.
I'm back. Can someone die already? Slusky died.
Sasuke, no!
Oh, Sluske, not
Is
Sasuke.
the best mob in the game?
It's
okay,
the
so
cow.
my team was. Oh,
Oh,
this man
Fred,
is
behind you,
alive.
behind you.
Frick. What?
Wolf, accept the team request.
No,
There we go.
sailing. We said we're gonna team.
Join team. Na-na-na.
Can you hear me? Nope, we can't hear you. The Naruto.
Wait, no! I forgot to choose a kit. Now I'm a skelly.
Everybody killed the chicken. I'm sorry.
Sailing guys.
No! Why am I a skelly?
Because you didn't pick the kit.
No, I did though. I chose the squid.
Ah!
Despite the light.
Oh, guys, if you see my 1.9 review, I screamed when the Ender Dragon hit me. I forgot I was there.
Sailing, I need your blood.
How sound? If you watch my 1.9 review, it was really boring after the Ender Dragon hit me off.
Despite the light don't hurt
I
me.
screamed so loud.
Double kill.
Ah! I forgot we're not killing the chicken. El pollo man. No, no lo hagas. No me lo hagas. No. Bye. Yes, lo maté. Ah! Ah!
Sailing, I need your blood.
No!
Stop.
Chopper!
Stop the light.
I hate you.
Stop.
I hate myself.
Wow. No, come on, keep stealing their kills. Goro, kill them all.
Oh god.
Oh, Team
3 hearts
Titans.
left.
It's a battle, win or lose.
Ugh.
It's a battle.
I will kill you, chicken. Chicken, die.
Wait, how did the Christmas song went?
I killed the chicken.
Wait,
Don't kill me.
wait, we should have a sing-off battle.
Okay, I probably lose though.
Start. Wait, do you want me to start my server so we can build the arena to sing?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys, next video we're gonna have a singing battle.
No.
Too bad.
Okay.
Wait, sailing. Sasuke.
No. Zane's got.
Elsa,
Yes,
did what a
Glenn,
Bill Snow.
Help me.
Ah!
Terrible fight.
Help me. Help me. I died.
Ugh.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. Burn Simon.
La 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 la.
Ah!
Despite the lights, I need your blood. Come here, babe.
Wow, Ricardo.
I need your blood, cause I'm a vampire. Rawr.
Well, next,
Rawr.
Cardo. Wait, does the light want to join my server so we can have an epic sing battle?
No, we're not gonna have a sing battle.
Come on.
No.
Yes, Bill.
Come on, Ricardo.
It's the season 2.
Let's
Kill
go.
me.
Okay.
Okay, who am I gonna team with?
Team with me.
It's
No,
right.
Ricardo.
Oh.
I want you.
Okay.
ric7. That's the light.
Yay.
Sailing, I will win for us.
What are you saying? Why am I teaming with you?
Wait, what?
No.
Sasuke Uchiha. Wait. Wait, I forgot. Sasuke, don't do this. We can team and we can destroy.
Sailing, I need your blood.
We can be friends.
Sasuke, we can be friends. We can attack the hidden in the leaf. Aw, I heard him say no. Why? Join the ice shooting gun. Daniel, see. Ah!
Yeah, you are flying.
Guys, next video we're gonna have an epic sing battle.
You're lagging real. Like, no joke, real. Bill Chocolate.
Ricardo, we can be friends. We can be
Sasuke!
friends
Sasuke!
forever.
Sasuke!
When now?
Sasuke, we can be friends. We can attack the hidden in the leaf. We can invade the Mindplex.
Be friends.
Slusky.
Ah!
We can be friends.
Nobody will never win.
Friendship forever.
Only I could win. Because I'm
Sasuke, team!
Ricardo,
Sasuke!
I'm gonna
What?
squid
You gotta go?
next round.
Bye.
Squid you.
So wait, next video, do
I'll
you...
squid you up. I'll squid you up and spit you out.
So next round, do you wanna...
I will win for us, Slusky.
I will become the champion of all the leaders.
I told you, Slusky, we will win for us.
Ricardo, I
What?
want to team with you next.
Okay, so then we can win, my brother.
Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here because I got no time left. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you did,
Sailing behind you.
Ricardo, where are you?
so if you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, smash that like button.
Okay.
Smash that like button in the comment down below if you liked it or not. Until then, bye, subscribe.